Well, happy Saturday, everybody. We are at the Graceville, Florida Harvest Festival on October the 19th. And today they have this is the 41st event. They have vendors and one of the biggest car shows around. So we're just going to look around and check everything out. They have live music and there's lots of people, y'all. So come check it out. There are tons of vendors out here today, so no lack of food and drink and plenty of crafts and t-shirts and you name it.
Stuff like that. You did? Okay. No, I'd have tagged you.
Now, like I said, they do have one of the largest antique car shows around this area. Well over 200 cars, and they're very nice. So you won't be disappointed.
Not only that, I have my neighbor.
Might remember this one from Cannonball Run.
Well, I'm getting that way. The arthritis is really, there's some days that just drive me nuts.
Rarely I never had to take maybe one time.
This one even has a seat for you back seat drivers.
I
love the color.
I do too. I'm standing next to it. I guess we'll...
He's 92 now. He would love to play the guitar again. He played electric. He played banjo, manion. He didn't play the fiddle. But let me tell you, I thought my dad was the best. And he's still with us at 92 years old. He doesn't get to play anymore.
Side of the road with a smile on his face, looking like he never knows there was a dead armadillo. Dead armadillo. Dead armadillo. Dead armadillo. There's a dead armadillo dead by the side of the road. He was laying on his back in the red hot sun, looking dead as a rat till the good Lord comes. There was a dead armadillo. Dead armadillo. That dead armadillo. Dead armadillo. There's a dead armadillo dead by the side of the road.
Well, that was this year's Graceville Harvest Festival. I hope you enjoyed the little bit I got to record. The car show was awesome and the singing was awesome. Shane Owens was going to be the last act and I didn't stay for him. But the ones I did here were really good. And I really appreciate them coming and participating in the Harvest Festival this year. So until next year, we'll see you then.